As we look ahead to 2025, the drone market is poised for remarkable advancements and innovations, making it an exciting time for enthusiasts, professionals, and casual users alike. The best drones for 2025 will likely encompass a range of features that cater to diverse needs, including exceptional camera capabilities, enhanced flight times, improved safety measures, and intelligent flight modes. We have listed the 5 best drones for 2025, and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 is a remarkable addition to the world of compact drones, offering an impressive combination of portability, performance, and advanced features that cater to both novice and experienced pilots alike. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, the Mini 3 is lightweight and easy to carry, making it an ideal companion for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture stunning aerial footage without the bulk of larger drones. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals that truly showcase the beauty of your surroundings. The drone is also equipped with a robust camera that boasts a 1.3-inch sensor, allowing for excellent low-light performance and generating high-quality images even in challenging lighting conditions. The Mini 3 comes with an impressive flight time of up to 38 minutes on a single charge, giving users ample time to explore and capture their adventures. Combined with DJI's renowned stability and flight control technology, this drone ensures smooth and reliable operation, even in windy conditions. The advanced obstacle detection system adds an extra layer of safety, helping to prevent collisions while you focus on capturing the perfect shot. Additionally, the Mini 3 features intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me and Point of Interest, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic footage with minimal effort. Number 4. DJI Neo represents a significant advancement in the world of aerial photography and drone technology. Designed with both amateur enthusiasts and professional filmmakers in mind, this drone blends cutting-edge features with user-friendly controls, making it accessible to a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its enhanced camera system, which offers stunning 4K video resolution and high-quality still images, allowing users to capture breathtaking aerial shots with incredible detail. The incorporation of advanced stabilization technology ensures that even in windy conditions, footage remains smooth and steady, elevating the overall quality of your projects. Battery life is another area where the DJI Neo excels. With an extended flight time, users can spend more time in the air capturing the perfect shot without the constant worry of returning for a recharge. This is particularly beneficial for professionals who require longer periods of operation for complex shoots. Additionally, the DJI Neo comes equipped with intelligent flight modes that simplify the capturing of dynamic shots. Features such as Follow Me, waypoints, and Active Track allow the drone to autonomously follow a subject or navigate a predetermined path, providing creative flexibility and reducing the pilot's workload. Safety features have also been prioritized in the DJI Neo's design. With obstacle avoidance sensors and a return-to-home function, users can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone is equipped to avoid potential hazards and return safely if it loses connection or runs low on battery. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the world of consumer drones, offering advanced features that cater to both amateur enthusiasts and professional filmmakers. With its sleek design and impressive engineering, the Mavic 3 Pro is built for performance and versatility in various aerial photography and videography scenarios. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro is its dual camera system, which includes a high-resolution 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that offers stunning 20MP stills and 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. This sophisticated camera setup allows for exceptional image quality, even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic scenes at any time of day. The drone's adjustable aperture, ranging from f2.8 to f11, provides users with greater creative control over their shots. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its extended flight time, boasting up to 46 minutes on a single battery charge. This remarkable endurance allows filmmakers to capture more footage without the need to frequently return to the ground for battery changes, significantly enhancing workflow efficiency on shoots. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, providing a safer flying experience and allowing users to focus on their creative vision without worrying about potential collisions. Number 2. Best obstacle. Avoidance system is crucial for ensuring the safety and efficiency of various technologies, particularly in the realms of robotics, drones, and autonomous vehicles. The best systems utilize a combination of advanced sensors such as LiDAR, ultrasonic, and cameras to detect and analyze the surrounding environment in real time. These systems employ sophisticated algorithms that process data collected from the sensors to identify potential obstacles, predict their movement, and calculate safe navigation paths. This capability is essential for preventing collisions and navigating complex terrains, particularly in dynamic environments where obstacles can appear suddenly. For instance, leading drone manufacturers have integrated cutting-edge obstacle avoidance systems that allow their devices to fly autonomously while avoiding trees, buildings, and other hazards. Similarly, autonomous vehicles rely on robust obstacle detection systems to navigate urban landscapes safely, ensuring that they can respond to pedestrians, cyclists, and unpredictable obstacles effectively. Moreover, the best obstacle avoidance systems are designed to adapt and improve over time, utilizing machine learning techniques to learn from past experiences and enhance their performance in future scenarios. This continuous learning process allows these systems to become more reliable and efficient, making them indispensable in various applications. In summary, the best obstacle avoidance systems combine high-quality sensors, advanced algorithms, and adaptive learning mechanisms to provide a safe and efficient navigation experience across a range of technologies, solidifying their position at the forefront of innovation in this critical area. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro is a remarkable addition to the ever-evolving landscape of consumer drones, offering an impressive blend of portability, advanced features, and cutting-edge technology. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this compact drone is designed for both novice and experienced pilots, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore aerial photography or videography without the burden of a heavy and cumbersome device. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its upgraded camera system, which boasts a larger sensor capable of capturing stunning 48MP still images and high-resolution 4K video at 60 frames per second. This enhancement allows for greater detail and clarity in your shots, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or fast-moving subjects. The larger sensor also performs better in low-light conditions, making it a versatile option for shooting at dawn or dusk. In addition to its impressive imaging capabilities, the Mini 4 Pro incorporates advanced obstacle sensing technology, ensuring a safer flying experience. With sensors on all sides, the drone can detect and avoid obstacles in its path, allowing for more confident maneuverability and peace of mind while in the air. This feature is especially beneficial for those new to flying drones, providing an added layer of security against potential crashes. Battery life has also seen significant improvements, with the Mini 4 Pro offering up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge.